Good afternoon, Jai Hind, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed some basic concept of goodwill treatment on the time of retirement. We have learned how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio on the time of retirement of a partner. And as we know that on the time of retirement of partner, retiring partner will take his share of goodwill also from gaining partner. Okay, so whosoever is taking the share of retiring partner, the person have to give the goodwill also to retiring partner. So on the basis of that, today we will solve certain question, we will understand that, and we will try to cover this particular topic today only. So from tomorrow we can start the next particular topic. So here it is a question of CBSE 2019 last year question. See this question and evaluate yourself, you can do or not. Aman, Bimal and Deepak are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:3:5. Okay bacha, 2:3:5. The goodwill of the firm has been valued at 37,500. Aman retired. Bimal and Deepak decided to share profit equally in the future. Calculate gaining sacrificing ratio of Bimal and Deepak on retirement and also past necessary journal entry. So two things you have to find out. You have to calculate gaining ratio and you have to do the treatment of goodwill. So just 2 minutes with you, calculate the gaining ratio in the comment box. And how we can do the gaining ratio, bacha, how we can calculate the gaining ratio. Formula is new share minus old share. So whosoever is remaining in the question after retirement of Aman, Bimal and Deepak, these two persons remain in the firm, Bimal and Deepak. Okay, so first we will find out the Bimal gaining share. The Bimal new ratio is equally. Bimal and Deepak decided to share the future profit equally. So new ratio is 1:1 and old share is 2:3:5. Tell me, Bimal will be how much bacha? Bimal will be new share 1/2 minus 3/10. And how much it will come bacha? We will calculate and it will come 2/10. Up 2/10 is positive, so it will be gain. And for Deepak, 1/2 minus 5/10. And this will come 0/10. So no sacrifice and no gain. So in this question you can see that only one partner is gaining the whole share. Okay, so this is the first thing what we have to do in the question. Second thing is what? Treatment of goodwill. So first we have to find out that what is the value of retiring partner goodwill. Okay, so how we can find out the retiring partner goodwill? Firm's goodwill into retiring partner share. अब बच्चा firm's goodwill is how much? 37,500 and retiring partner share is 2/10. Okay, because Aman is retiring, so it will be 2/10. Just a minute. See, it will be 2/10. So 37,500 into 2/10. How much? Tell me in the comment box. How much it will be? 7,500. So 7,500 is the share of whom? Tell me. 7,500 is the share of retiring partner. Now what entry we will do that? What entry we will do that? You see this one. बच्चा, so I told you on the time of treatment of goodwill, what is the basic entry? Basic entry is gaining partner capital account debit. Why gaining partner capital account debit? It is very simple, bachcha. It is very simple, and the reason is because gaining partner will give the share of goodwill to the retiring partner. So gaining partner is giving, so his or her capital will decrease. When his or her capital will decrease, it will be debit by the amount, okay. And whenever the retiring partner is a sacrificing partner, so retiring partner will receive the share of goodwill from the gaining partner. So it will be to retiring partner capital account. Gaining partner capital account debit to retiring partner. So what entry will be? Who is the gaining partner? Bimal is gaining partner. So we will write down Bimal capital account debit to who is retiring partner? Aman is retiring partner. So to Aman capital by 7,500. If anyone having any problem, please ask. If anyone having any problem in this particular question, you just see this question. If you have any problem, tell me in the comment box, and if it is clear, tell me in the comment box that it is clear. So we can proceed for the next question. Okay, bacha. See the next question. You just first read the question. ABC are partners. ABC are partners in the ratio. Okay, 4 partners are there in this question. A, B, C and D are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:1:1. Okay, old ratio is 2:1:1. B retired from the firm. And remaining partner decided that their profit sharing ratio will be 1:1:1. So this one is new and this one is old. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 30,000. So step 1, what you have to do, bacha? Step number 1, you have to calculate gaining ratio. So you have to calculate gaining share and gaining ratio. Okay, chalo calculate it and tell me in the comment box. So gaining share formula, you are knowing that. So find out the gaining share of B, sorry, not B, B is the retiring one, A, C and D. Tell me in the comment box what is the gaining share of A, C, D. So A, new one is 1/3 minus 2/2 to 4, 5, 6. 2/6. 1/3 minus 2/6. 1/3 minus 1/6 and 1/3 minus 1/6. How much it will come? Tell me in the comment box, everyone, please. So देखो बच्चा, 6 will be the LCM. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0/6. No sacrifice, no gain. It will be 6. So here the LCM will be 6 and it will be 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1/6. So it will what? It will gain. And here the same thing will be there. 6, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1/6 gain. So one partner is not sacrificing, not gaining, and other 2 partners are gaining the share. अब देखो बच्चा, you see here, step number 2. Firm's goodwill is given, but we want B's share of goodwill because B is retiring partner. And his share of goodwill that we have to calculate. So, bachcha, firm's goodwill is how much? 30,000 into B's share is how much? 2 by 6. 2 by 6. So it will come how much, bacha? 10,000. Now this 10,000 will be given. Now this 10,000 will be divided equally between C and D, because what is the ratio between C and D? 1:1. So how much C will sacrifice? How much C will give? 5,000. And how much D will give? 5,000. And how much B will receive from them? 10,000. So who is gaining partner? C and D. Who is gaining partner, bacha? C and D. So what entry we will pass? C's capital account debit, D's capital account debit, because they are gaining partner, and gaining partner will be debit. So how much they will give? 5,000 and 5,000. And how much B as a retiring partner? How much B as a retiring partner will receive, bacha? 10,000. 5,000, 5,000, 10,000. Okay. Next, bacha. So next question, first you people will do. Acha, before that, anyone having any confusion, any problem in this particular question, please ask. If anyone having any problem in this question, please ask. Then only I can proceed for the next one. Tell me in the comment box. If you have any problem, tell me in the comment box. Chalo ji, very good. Very good. Proceed for the next one.
The single ownership formation and closure is very easy.
So next question I am sharing, please first you people will try and give the answer, then only I will explain. So I want that maximum person will give the answer in the comment box for this question. Read the question and solve that. PQR are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. Q decided to retire from the firm, and it was decided that P will take 2/9 share and R will take 1/9 share of Q. For this purpose, goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. The average profit of last 3 years is 42,000 and normal profit of similar firm is 28,500. So I'm just telling you guys what you have to do. First, you have to calculate the goodwill by utilizing the super profit method. That is the first thing what you have to do. Second thing, in this question new ratio is not given. But it is not a case number 1 also, because on the time of retirement it is there that Q will how much P will purchase the share and how much R will purchase the share. Okay, so you have to calculate the new ratio also. First thing, you have to calculate the goodwill. Second thing, you have to calculate the new ratio, and third thing, you have to find out the gaining ratio. These 3 things you have to do in this question, and after that you have to pass the entry. So tell me fast in the comment box that what will be the answer and how you will solve the question. Tell me in the comment box fast bacha. I'm just giving 3 minutes to you guys. Within 3 minutes I hope that maximum person will at least calculate the goodwill and find out the new partner share. So please try to solve this question within 4 minutes. I am giving the 4 minutes to you. You tell me in the comment box. Chalo ji, who will be the first one? Tell me. Meanwhile, I am helping you out. The goodwill is valued on the super profit method. अब what is the super profit method formula? Super profit is equal to normal profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. अब what is the super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. In the question where the average profit is given 42,000 and where the normal profit is given 28,500. So our super profit will be 42,000 minus 28,500 and it will become super profit how much bacha? 13,500. Now when we have super profit, we can calculate the goodwill also, because goodwill formula is super profit into number of purchase year. So super profit into number of purchase year, and how much it will be? Super profit we calculated 13,500 and number of purchase year is already there 2. So it will be 2. So 13,500 into 2. It will be how much bacha? 27,000. 27,000. So that goodwill is what? That goodwill is the firm's goodwill. That goodwill is the firm's goodwill. Now we have to find out the goodwill of who is retiring? Q. Goodwill of Q. So bacha, firm's goodwill is 27,000. And what is the Q share? What is the Q share? Q share is just a minute. It will be 4373 by 9, and it will be 9 3 ja and 3 3 ja 9,000. So goodwill of Q is coming how much bacha? 9,000. Okay. So first thing that you have to do in this question, that you have to find out the goodwill of the question by implementing the formula. And for that bacha, you have to remember the formula of super profit, formula of average profit, formula of capitalized super profit, formulas of capitalized average profit. Acha, tell me in the comment box that when we can decide that we have to go for normal average profit method or we have to go for capitalization of average profit method. When we can decide that we have to go for normal super profit method and when we can go for capitalization super profit method. How we can identify the question, then when what we have to implement when no information is given. Tell me in the comment box. Tell me in the comment box. Meanwhile, we will calculate new ratio. New ratio. Okay. So bacha, here calculation of new ratio is required? No sir. Why bacha? Why it is not required? Sir, number one, in this question calculation of new ratio is not yet calculated and not it is written not anywhere that you have to calculate the new ratio. But bacha, without new ratio how we can calculate the gaining ratio? Simple sir. Already gaining share and gaining ratio is given. That Q decided to retire to the firm. It was decided that P will take 2 by 9 share and R will take 1 by 9. So how much P is taking bacha? P is taking 2 by 9. And how much Q is taking? 1 by 9. So how much they are taking? 2 by 9 and 1 by 9. And what is the ratio of this one? 2:1. And this 2:1 is exactly the meaning of what? Gaining ratio. So now we have everything. We have goodwill also. We have now new ratio also. Gaining ratio also. It is what? It is what? It is the gaining ratio. So whenever in the question it is decided that Q is giving in his share in what ratio, our remaining partner is taking the retirement partner in what ratio, that is what actually gaining ratio. So what you guys have to do, the third things. First, Second and third thing what you have to do, you have to find out, you have to divide the goodwill of Q in the ratio 2:1 and pass the entry. So who are gaining partner bachcha? P and Q. So as per the rule, P's gaining partner account is debit. So P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to who is receiving, sorry, Q is the retiring partner. So P and, just a minute, I have to rectify one thing. P and R is remaining partner. So here also we will write down R, and here also we will write down R's capital, because P and R is the gaining partner and Q is the retiring partner. So P's capital account debit, R's capital account debit, and who is retiring partner? To Q's capital account. Now you see bachcha one thing, that P's capital account debit, P's capital account debit and Q's capital account debit and Q's capital account, this will be 9,000 goodwill of Q will be divided in the ratio 2:1. So it will come 6,000, 3,000 and Q's capital 9,000. Okay, so this is what we have to do exactly. Okay bachcha, I think it is clear. So first we calculate the super profit, then we calculate the firm's goodwill with the help of super profit, and when we have the firm's goodwill, we can find out the goodwill of retiring partner. We can find out the goodwill of retiring partner, and retiring partner goodwill we calculated 9,000. Then we have to find out the sacrificing or gaining share. So here on the time of retirement we calculate the gaining ratio, and we don't have to calculate because it is already given. Q decided to retire from the firm, and it was decided that P and R will take Q share in a particular ratio, and that particular ratio is actually the gaining ratio. So 9,000, this 9,000 will be divided in the ratio 2:1, and P will give 6,000, R will give 3,000 and Q capital will be 9,000 rupees. And I think it is clear to everyone. So now it's time for the next question. Next question is very important and very interesting question, because in the next question bachcha, what thing is there? Some partner is sacrificing, some remaining partner is sacrificing, and some remaining partner is gaining. Okay, so here is the question and we have to solve this one. Okay bachcha, so first you go and solve this. Kavi, Ravi, Kumar and Guru were partners in the firm, ratio 3:2:1. Guru retired and new profit sharing ratio is 3:1:1:1, 3:1:1, 3:2:2:1. On Guru's retirement, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 3,60,000. Ab bachcha, you see this. So first, we have to find out the gaining ratio. So when we find out the gaining ratio bachcha, what will be? You see, who retired? Guru. Guru retired. So who are remaining one? Kavi, Ravi and Kumar. Gaining ratio formula you are knowing, new minus old. So Kavi new is 3/5. Ravi new is 1/5 and Kumar new is 1/5. Minus. Tell me in the comment box. Meanwhile, you guys tell me in the comment box what is the gaining ratio. Old one is Kavi, old one is 3/9. 3/9. Okay, bachcha. Ravi one is 9 what? 3 to 5 to 7, 8. Sorry, 3 not 3/9. It is 3/9. 8. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 8. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 8. Now what is the LCM of 8, 5? It will be 40. So 5, 8, 24 minus 8, 5, 3, 15. How much it will be? 9 by 40. Now bachcha, this 9 by 40 is what? This 9 by 40 is gain 1. Because answer is coming positive. So kabhi 3 by 5 minus 3 by 8, answer will be coming 24 minus 15 is equal to divide by 40, 9 by 40. Similarly, when we go for Ravi also bachcha, so Ravi will come minus 2 by 40. So minus 2 by 40 means sacrifice. Similarly, minus 2 by 40 means sacrifice. So we have 3 partners who sacrifice. Ravi also, Kumar also, and we are knowing the retiring partner is always the sacrificing partner and admitted partner is always the gain partner. So Guru also sacrifices his share by 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Okay. So we have one partner who is gaining, another all partner are sacrificing. So now step number 2. Bacha, step number 2. If here one partner is only gaining, so we have to do the step number 2 like this. Total firm goodwill is so the total firm goodwill is how much bacha? So the total firm goodwill is 3,60,000. Ab in 3,60,000 everyone's share we will find out. Kavi share, Ravi share, Kumar's share and Guru's share. Sir, here why we didn't find out the ratio, gaining ratio, sacrificing ratio, bacha? Because here one partner is gaining, another partner is sacrificing. And when all partners are on the similar take, all the gain, all the sacrifice, then only the ratio frame. Okay. So here ratio cannot frame. We will find out the individual shares of everyone. So 3,60,000 into Kavi share is 9 by 40. Similarly, Ravi 3,60,000 into 2 by 40. 3,60,000 into 2 by 40. And Guru 1 3,60,000 into 3,60,000 into how much bacha? The Guru share is 1 by 8. Okay. So find out this particular person will gain and this all 3 will sacrifice. So 3,60,000 to 9 by 40, it will come 81,000 and this will come 18,000 and 18,000. 3,60,000 into 1 by 8, find out how much it will come. 3,60,000 into 1 by 8, how much it will come? Bacha, tell me in the comment box. 3,60,000 divided by 8. It will come 45,000. Okay. 3,60,000 into 1 by 8 is equal to 45,000. Now, entry we are knowing the partner who sacrifice will be credited and the partner who gain will be debited. So who will be? Kavi capital account debit 81,000. 3 partner sacrifice. So 2 Ravi capital, 1 is Kumar capital, 2 Guru capital. Okay, we will find out. So Ravi capital how much? 18,000 and 45,000. So this is the way bacha how we will solve the question of goodwill. Sometime it's also happened then when the remaining partner not gain, instead of that remaining partner will sacrifice. So whenever remaining partner will sacrifice, we will do the question like this: find out the gaining and sacrificing, and when you find out the gaining and sacrificing, find out the each and everyone's share in the firm's goodwill. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you very much. I will share all questions in the PDF form. You please go and try that all. Thank you.